Today we're going to do the parts of the bird. So we have our bird puzzle. And we have our picture of the bird. And then we have wings. How many wings does a bird have? Yes, 2. This is the breast of the bird. The breast. Can you say breast? The bird has a head. And on the head, the bird has a beak. The bird also has a tail. The bird has legs. And on those legs are claws. We ran out of space. Wings, breast, head, beak, tail, legs, and claws. Remember Clucker's claws? Now let's match the pictures. This is the head. What is this? Yes, wings. What are these? The claws. What are these? The legs. How many legs does a bird have? How many legs do you have? How many legs does a dog have? How many legs does an insect have? This is the breast. The tail. My daddy used to say, if you can put salt on the tail of a bird, you can catch it. You believe that? I tried my whole life. Never did do it. Bird. And the beak. I forgot to put out the legs and claws. All right, now let's match the words. Do you know what that word says? Bird. Bird. I bet you can read this word. Legs. Right. Probably can read this word. Claws. Claws. Beak. Remember that phonogram E in beak? It's kind of a tricky one. Wings. Wings. Head. Tail. And this says breast. Sometimes the E says A, or breast. And that is the parts of the bird. And we will send home some paper so you can make your own parts of the bird and write your own names on them for your spelling one day. Okay, see you later.